I have some health problems, and my wife found this facility, and it was highly recommended, and we came here to see if God could heal us some. It's been really, really good, health-wise and spiritually. Well, one thing that the leader here, Chris, teaches is that we need a different mindset. He has showed us the ways to achieve that, and through a different mindset that we can change with God's help, of course. The staff here is excellent, but for me, the spiritual part was really the best. It caused me to rethink some things in my life, and I believe that anybody here that comes here will get a blessing from it.